You see, a convention of all activists has been called for the 22nd of this month at Jardin du Aliadush, Abatfaria Road near Gomantak Niketan at 3:30 p.m. Now the purpose is, you see, today there is a massive opposition to the BJP in Goa. No one wants the BJP to win another term. But at the same time, the BJP wins or comes near victory and then effects defections. Because the opposition is not fighting elections in a concerted, united way. And all these activists after elections are again on the streets fighting for different causes. I think it is time that all activists get together, corner all the political parties, the parties currently in opposition, form their own groupings, create their own nominees, and ask political parties to field them. In each constituency, one nominee. And we all work together to get him elected. And on a non-BJP platform. Otherwise, we are going to have a repeat of what has happened in the past. I have seen in the last Lok Sabha elections, the Congress won South Goa not because of Congress. They won because the general public and all the activists ganged up together to support Captain Viriatu. And they supported Captain Viriatu because Captain Viriatu is known to be a good man, an activist, and not a typical politician. And he has been doing well. Everybody is happy with what he is doing. So I have a feeling that activists, if they work concertedly, we can give Goa a better government. And we need that MLAs, that the potential MLAs, the candidates should be announced at least 6 months or minimum 3 months before the elections.